This is a more happiest thing what I'm saying, that I think you will be happy with this. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Suraj Balke. This is an art channel, so you have seen me on before last video, right? Yeah, now last video I did a mandala art, so um, another video is coming on that mandala art. I have not put the video without timeless, so on because this video is important. So we are conducting a workshop named as a mandoodle. You must thinking that what is exactly mandoodle is. So 1 second, I'm sweating so many. Sorry, I'm sweating much more because um, there is no AC. There is no AC, so there is so many lights are applied. So I'm getting sweating. Sorry for that. Yeah. So sorry for sweating. I'm not. I'm just kidding. Sorry. Uh, uh, so I told that we're thinking that what is a mandala? It is a we combine that mandala and doodle are we gave a name as a mandoodle. So this is a very unique, and we are thinking that how the name came, because see, I don't know. I didn't give the name because my sister told me that she told that we will keep a name of mandala and doodle art. I told what we can keep in that. So I'm thinking that what we can keep the name, but suddenly she told that sorry, she told that we'll keep as a mandala plus doodle. Mandala plus doodle, why we should keep? She told mandala plus doodle, mandoodle. That I shocked in that, because this is a name never came out. So we are keeping a name as a mandoodle. So please, I think your excitement. I think we are thinking that what will be the in camp. I think the camp will be more fun and more happy in this camp, because before I did one camp. In that nearly 6 months back, I think I did one camp online in COVID time, that so many students came in that. So they will be they are happy in that. So because please join with us and be touch with us that. And one more thing I'm telling you, that you will be shocked. That see, one is not shocking, this is a normal thing, that we kept um, 1 second, again I'm sweating. Yeah, the workshop is conducted into Google Meet, conducting into Google Meet. Yeah, and in that we will send the in the description there will be a link in Google Meet. You can fill the form, and in that there will be a image. You should put a image of your photo of your image, passport size photo, that any size you can make, because we are keeping a 500 nearly 500 MB inside. So because in certificate we're planning to have a photo of your only certificate, your photo, because that is you will be very happy in that, because if you see that certificate, that we can frame it all that. So this camp will be more excitement. So in that, so many, and in camp we will learn a technique, and so many. And every month we have keeping a camp every month. This month I can make only one camp. So on coming on next month March, we are planning to see two camp, but in this camp we are planning entries nearly more than 30. So please share this video, and this video I will put on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. So probably I'm making a YouTube for a YouTube video in this also, Facebook and Instagram also I will put this video. And one more thing, I will make three type of language. One is English, I have done now, and Hindi and Kannada. Yeah, I'm thinking Marathi also, but I don't know to speak Marathi. I can speak Konkani with mix with Goa language, so Goa language. Yeah, my so I can't speak in Marathi so well. So we'll see, because I'm interested in Marathi because I love Marathi, Hindi. So I love more Marathi because so many what is there. I feel more happy in Marathi to speaking in that. So yeah, and one more thing, I written something there to tell you. The workshop is workshop is categorized into two level. One is basic level, one is advanced level. Basic level is there will be two group. One is A group and one is B group. In advanced also A group and B group. You are thinking that A group will be the basic. In A group will be a basic drawing that some people know about, some don't know how to, what is a mandala and what is a doodle. So they will learn more about that. And advanced is a more advanced drawing that it will be a little difficult one, and you will be happy in that. Some people know more about mandala and doodle. So in that also, advanced I will keep a group and B group. The age will be the same. A group will keep 7 years to 15 years, and B group will be at 16 plus. This is a more happiest thing what I'm saying, that I think you will be happy with this, because so many people were thinking that want to learn mandala and doodle means about the age of more than 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. There is no age limit on this camp. So please fill the form and come with us, and we will have fun with that. Though you will learn more about this I'm telling 100% sure that you will learn more about the art. And monthly we have I'm planning a two workshop. So your means, what do we say, your interest should be there in this. So see, I can teach you, but your interest should be there, because I will teach each and everything, and you will be happy in that. So, and we will have fun in this workshop. You join once in this camp, then you will join another. You will ask that next workshop when will be there. So please join with us, and please share this video to everyone. And this everyone like art, but some people don't know that what is an abstract. Some people know about realistic. They love realistic. All people love realistic. Some people know about the art, about abstract, modern, pop art, realistic, means realism. We call as realism, and Madhubani art. So many art are there that I'm going to teach you, and be tuned with us. And who will not subscribe this channel, please subscribe this channel, and there is a bell icon. Please, you will get all the notification what I'm doing the video and uploading the video. Right, you will get the video on that on notification. You will see there. You can see this video and share this video, and you will be. Share this video. What do we say? What I say, I'm saying I don't know, but I'm happy that I'm conducting a workshop with you, and we will have excitement in the coming Friday and Saturday. The timing I will tell you at timing. Now I'm telling the timing. Timing will be given on form. That timing will be A group 4 to 4 to 6 and 6 to 8. B group 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock IST, and 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Yeah, A group 4 to 6 and B group 6 to 8 o'clock. So Friday and Saturday. And advance will be on Sunday. I think Sunday I'm taking this Sunday camp. Advanced timing will be at 2 afternoon, not afternoon, morning, 10 o'clock to 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock, and 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Yeah, 1 o'clock. And another one, Monday 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Monday will be there. So please tune in with us, and we will have fun with this, and you will learn more about this art. So please join in with us, and I will put on this Instagram, and follow me on Instagram. In Facebook also, you follow me, you will get more about that. So okay, I will end this video now here, and yeah, what do we say? I don't have any to speak about this workshop. So you should come on that, and you should have fun in that. And the link will be given in description below. So please go through that and fill the form. The limited seat. I'm telling that limited seat, but we'll see how many the entries are coming that I want to see. In that I will adjust the time also. I'm not telling that the timing is perfect, 4 to 5 and 5 to 4 to 6 and 6 to 8. That is the same timing for A group and B group for basic level. Advanced level will be on Sunday, 9 to 11, 11 to 1 for A group. Advanced in A group. B group will be on, B group, A group will be on 9 to 11. B group will be on 11 to 1 on Monday, 4 to 5, 4 to 6 and 6 to 8. Yeah. Once again I got a call. This video is going to end now, so be tuned in, and please subscribe my channel. I'm telling so many times, so please subscribe my channel, all new, and don't skip the video. You should see this video till end, and you will give love to me, and I get more motivation from you also. Okay, then see you. Bye bye. Take care. We'll see you on workshop on Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday. 4 days workshop is going on, but only one shop, and we are dividing in so many levels. So okay, bye, take care, have a nice day, bye bye, see you, take care.